Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, everybody. A milestone. First rest day, we're on to our second week, but this one's a nice short week. So today is the hard one. Tomorrow's much easier. First thing that we're doing on today's ride is we're backtracking to the highway, to the Ho Chi Minh Highway. So left out of here, and then when you hit the Ho Chi Minh Highway, right.
I'm a person that loves adventure and I love challenge, and I love quite often to do something that other people think is a bit bonkers. And then you arrive here and feel at home. You're just with people who it's in their blood in the same as it is with yours.
You guys doing okay? Good work?
Yeah, nice work.
We came from Bangkok and we are heading to some place. I don't remember the name of the heavy rain that's falling, so it washed my memory. It's soft, it's warm, you don't feel it, and you just go fast.
Vietnam had a couple of killer days, which for the challenge I loved.
Today is a very long day. I've heard it's the hardest day, but I'm blocking that out of my mind right now.
Vietnam had this beautiful scale to it, and the karst scenery and the mountains, which makes it fascinating because it's always changing. It's a journey is why I wanted to do, A to B is because you want to see the changes. And experiencing this incredible transition all the way through.
On these tours, you're going to find yourself riding through a variety of different landscapes. You can go from a bustling city where you have the motorbike sounds, the car horns. You have people at a local market next to you, different sizzling foods on the side of the road. But then, a couple hours later, you'll find yourself in a beautiful, lush jungle where you hear the rustling of the banyan trees or exotic bird calls you've never heard in your entire life. You see little instances of life just on the side of the road, like children getting off of school. You might encounter very traditional ways of production, like pounding rice with a huge mortar and pestle to make all sorts of rice products. Or weaving silk, hand looms, making beautiful silk tapestries and dyeing them in really beautiful ways.
I would say no 2 days are the same. Each day has its own flavor, its own character, and each day is a surprise. It is like a childlike wonder that one gets to inhabit for quite a long time.
How are you? Good?
Hey.
Yeah.
I feel like a little kid in a playground. It's like 2 months of curiosity and adventure. And quite honestly, a lot of the riders, we bounce off of each other with it because we encourage that giddiness and the playfulness. Yeah, the whole thing just feels like a big playground in a sense that we get to move through and bump up against and be surprised by and enlivened by.
I think that TDA riders take away a more authentic view and perception of the world on these tours. They want to get a sense of engagement from this part of the world.
We have had all kinds of interactions. People are curious what you're doing, why you're there, and they react on you not as a tourist but as a stranger, and they want to talk with you. you're really people from another planet on some places. And it gives you awareness that we're all together on this earth. Because for me, living is traveling, and traveling by bike through it, you really come to the essence of the country.